be able to name about 5. Let's see. And you gotta pick 2 of these.
Okay. 2 of them? Wait, does that mean I can still have it in the one then? Because it's on there.
No.
No, it's just stupid.
You still might have some of it, but this is just boost for now.
Yeah, I don't really want religion.
Yeah, right.
Religion is gone.
Alright, 2 cans of pop, that and the oatmeal, and then bag of chips. Guess how much it was?
Well, it's 250, 350. $5.
$4.70. You're close.
I rounded up.
I guess insight.
Where's that?
Right below history.
You can't.
I already have it. I don't know which one's going to pick. I'm like, I didn't even pick any.
Yeah, dude, we had, to myself last night, I had, half of 2 sticks of vodka, 6 beer, like 4 shots out of a Mickey, and,
Can you get rid of one?
a couple shots of Jack Daniels.
Well, you know what I had? So,
Did you finish at 151?
no, me and Mariah, we probably drank that much 151 together. So I had about that much 151. I had about that much 151, and then well, that much in my own drinks.
Did you have it, like, did you mix it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I had 4 Jaeger bombs.
And then you started, so they ran out of Jaegers?
Yeah, then we ran out of Jaeger, but we still had Red Bulls. So
Yeah.
we tried to do a 151 bomb.
Oh, God.
I know.
We were like,
Oh my
Red
God.
Bull 151.
No.
And it was like, ah.
Brett, have you ever had a King Kong shot?